This is Murphy. He knows how to make me laugh. All I've got to do is put that. Yeah. No, that's a winky face. I don't want the winky face, I want that face. You watch this. Hot food! Let's see one of the previous ones. Oh, I'm just gonna tap this one in. Please be a good one. I'm gonna do some washing up in a minute, but first I'm just gonna wrap things up. I'm just gonna watch this one. His face is really... Happy bastards. Oh, this is a finishing move. This will finish me off. Here's an idea. Load it up. So basically, it's the most fun I've had in a long time. Thank you for watching.